प्रदेश में हम लोगों ने चुनाव जीता है। पिछली सरकारों के नैरेटिव को कैसे जवाब देना है, अभी सफलता मिली है, आगे फिर कैसे जीतेंगे, ये सब चर्चा।
अंबेडकर को लेकर जो नैरेटिव है, क्या उसको लेकर के भी इस मीटिंग में चर्चा होगी कि सारी पार्टियों का एक नैरेटिव रहेगा?
निश्चित रूप से हम विपक्षी पार्टियां हैं, मचूड़े जोगी मठ उजाड़ हैं, हम सब लोग एक हैं और हम लोग सेफ हैं। हम लोग मिलेंगे और आके लड़के जीतेंगे।
क्या एक वन नेशन वन पोल पे भी, एक चुनाव पर भी आप लोग
एक हम लोग तो सहमति पहले भी दे चुके हैं और आज भी सहमति हम लोगों की है।
So this was Sanjay Nishad, whom we were hearing right now, as all the leaders have started arriving at residence of JP Nadda. Let me ask my camera person to show you the visuals as we are reporting from right outside JP Nadda residence. All the NDA partners, leaders have already arrived, from Chandrababu Naidu to Lallan Singh to Upendra Kushwaha, Anupriya Patel, Pratap Rao Jadhav, HD Kumar Swamy. All the leaders have arrived here, including HM Amit Shah. The Home Minister have also arrived. This is being said is the informal NDA meeting which is now commenced at the residence of JP Nadda. There's a high tea meeting where it will also be discussed the issues, the narrative which is going to be set going forward with the two assembly elections of Delhi and Bihar as well. The proper coordination between all the ally partners is very important. What we are looking will be discussed in this meeting. This meeting is not going to be in a jiffy. It's going to be a very detailed meeting which will go on for 1.5 hours or more than that. And also we are getting to know that continuously opposition is continuously lambasting at the ruling party on the Ambedkar issue, and from that time to till now, from several states, political parties have also reacted, including the NDA partners. So the narrative has to be set. The narrative is going to be same, and all the parties are going to be on same line. That is what the detailed discussion will happen today at the residence of JP Nadda. And not only this, one nation, one poll is what is the government's agenda for which the JPC has already been constituted. The first meeting of JPC is on 8th of January. But before that, all the parties coming together at a common consensus and common ground, and all have the same perspective as that of the ruling party. That is very much important, and that is the reason why this meeting has been called. While many could say that this meeting is more than what meets the eye, but right now we can clearly say that it depends on the BJP senior high command, the BJP senior leaders. What are the issues that are going to be discussed? Because this is the informal meeting, so at length the issues of election, one nation, one poll, and also on the BR Ambedkar will be precisely discussed. So right now the meeting has already commenced. All the leaders have arrived. Back to you.
Right, Harsha, you are outside JP Nadda's residence. You spoke to a few NDA leaders. What's the mood like in the NDA camp, and what are the key things apart from the one nation, one election, or for that matter, even the Waqf amendment bill? What are the other, topics on agenda in this particular meeting?
One of the foremost agenda is the BR Ambedkar issue, as we are clearly seeing. Clearly, we have been witnessing, Deepak, from Parliament to outside, how the narrative opposition has tried to change, how they have twisted and flipped completely what HM Home Minister spoke in the Parliament on Ambedkar during the Constitution debate, and that is completely twisted by the opposition party, by the edited clips, and that is what the BJP is trying. That the narrative should be same. There should be a proper coordination. That is the reason this foremost is the very top priority issue of the BJP ruling party, and they want that all the NDA alliance, be it the Kumar Swamy's party, be it the TDP, be it JDU, be it LJP, everyone should have the common statements and narrative when they are going out in public speaking on the Ambedkar issue. So thorough research and the thorough guideline will be given to all the NDA partners on this. And not only that, as you very well mentioned about the one nation, one poll, that's one of the key issues as well, because going forward in 2025, the new year is going to be very hectic for BJP, because as you very well know, JPC has been constituted, and the bigger task is to convince each and every party for one nation, one poll, and for that government needs the support of its NDA partners, and that is the reason how a detailed discussion will happen here. And also we can't forget that this year there's a Delhi election and Bihar elections as well. Also JDU and LJP, both the party have...
That's right, Harsha. All eyes are on the key meeting at JP Nadda's residence.